Handle is very cheap. It's just plastic, not even silicone, guys. But it's very light. It's very light. It's a boning knife. But the handle, seriously, it has a good grip though. Has a good grip, but let's see what's here. Yeah, dirty, greasy. I'm not too sure if. All right, I might need to sharpen these, but I'm happy. There's a bloody case here. It's very nice. Well, it is sharp. It is kind of sharp. Yeah. What? These are fishing knives, but I'm going to use them in my kitchen and camping. And this is a fillet knife. Oh, what a blade. What a blade. I've got to do the test while I'm cooking. I need to wash these and I'll get back to you. Let's get this back in. And yes, I'm happy I just got them today. So I'm happy with these. Not that I'm not happy with Victorinox, but at least a case, like a something, I think it should have been in here, a little plastic, yeah, anyways, yeah, I have to wash them, and you'll see me using these when I'm going to be filming. So, Mossy Oak and Victorinox. That's it. So, see you soon.